Welcome back to the Community Project, where we discuss topics related to mental health and personal growth. We're continuing our series called A Piece of the Puzzle, where we expand upon what we've learned in the Community Journal. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating topic of how our modern lives are impacting our brains. Our brains are still wired to respond to the challenges of our ancestral savanna environment. From information overload to constant stress, we'll explore 10 ways modern life hijacks our savanna brains. So let's get started. Our savanna ancestors relied on simple cues to understand their surroundings. But in today's world, we face an avalanche of information from various sources. This cognitive overload can lead to decision fatigue and affect our ability to make informed choices. To combat this, consider prioritizing information, taking regular breaks, and practicing mindfulness. Our hunter-gatherer ancestors were always on the move, keeping themselves physically fit and healthy. However, modern life encourages a sedentary lifestyle, leading to health issues like obesity and cardiovascular problems. It's crucial to incorporate physical activity into our daily routines, whether it's through regular exercise or active hobbies. Our brains are naturally drawn to novelty and instant gratification. Unfortunately, the constant presence of smartphones, social media, and online content pulls our attention away from important tasks. To regain focus, try setting specific periods for digital detox, turning off unnecessary notifications, and using productivity apps to stay on track. Our circadian rhythms evolved to follow natural light patterns. But today, artificial lighting disrupts our sleep-wake cycles, impacting our overall well-being. To improve sleep quality, limit screen time before bedtime, create a relaxing evening routine, and expose yourself to natural light during the day. Our ancestors depended on nutrient-dense foods for survival, but we now have easy access to calorie-rich junk food high in sugar and unhealthy fats. This can lead to overeating and various health issues. Strive for a balanced diet with fresh, whole foods, and limit your intake of processed snacks and sugary drinks. Our brains crave social connection, but social media can lead to constant comparisons, fostering feelings of inadequacy and anxiety. Remember that what we see online is often not an accurate version of reality. Practice self-compassion and limit social media use when you find it affecting your mental well-being. Pursuing status and possessions was once linked to survival and reproduction. But in modern society, consumerism can lead us to chase after material goods beyond our genuine needs. Consider adopting a minimalist lifestyle, where you focus on experiences and relationships rather than material possessions. Our ancestors lived in harmony with nature, but many of us now spend more time indoors in concrete jungles. This disconnection from the natural world can affect our mental and emotional well-being. Take time to enjoy outdoor activities, connect with nature, and embrace green spaces in your community. Our brains are highly adaptive, but excessive reliance on technology for even basic tasks can diminish our problem-solving skills. Strive to balance technology usage with regular activities that challenge your mind, such as reading, puzzles, or engaging in hobbies that require critical thinking. Stress was once a response to immediate threats in the savanna, but now we face chronic stress from various sources. Multitasking, which is prevalent in modern life, can decrease productivity and increase anxiety. Practice stress reduction techniques like meditation, deep breathing, and time management strategies. Understanding how modern life hijacks our savanna brains empowers us to make conscious choices to find a healthier balance. By taking proactive steps, such as managing digital distractions, embracing physical activity, and fostering real connections, we can create a more fulfilling and meaningful life. Remember, our brains have tremendous adaptability. It's up to us to steer them in the right direction. That's it for this episode. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, remember, you're not alone.